How to redeem CRK codes. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Cookie Run Kingdom codes. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Cookie Run Kingdom codes are your ticket to exciting rewards like ticket crystals and rainbow cubes. Brings a fresh batch of Cookie Run Kingdom codes to redeem and enhance your gaming experience. If you're worried that claiming these items will be cumbersome and time-consuming process, don't worry because it's exceedingly simple. Follow the steps below to get your free items in a flash. First, load up Cookie Run Kingdom. Second, select the icon at the top right with the 3 horizontal lines. Next, select Settings. Now, press on Info and look under User Info for Player ID. Now, head to the Cookie Run Kingdom redeem code site, enter your DevPlay ID details and redeem the code. Select Claim Reward to obtain your free goodies, and finally, go back onto Cookie Run Kingdom and your freebies should be waiting for you to claim and use. So, this is how you can redeem CRK codes. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.